fun, long class. Today we are doing the 100 days 6 minutes drawing challenge.
Episode number
37.
37. And what are we going to sketch today? Once again, a funny monster drawing. Be with us till the end of the video. Do not forget to hit on the like and the subscribe button and add in the comment the name of the monster. The best name wins some exciting goodies from Parikshit, but you have to be there with us till the end of the video. And if you want, you can also share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids Fun Run Club to win some more exciting goodies from Parikshit.
Let's see.
You need to be fast, right? Only the first 5 drawings will be considered for an entry into the competition.
Yeah, no, first 5 names. Not the
First 5 names and the first 5 drawings that they share with us on Instagram.
Bye.
Let's get started.
Okay, let's sing bye.
Okay, so what do we do?
Let's draw something.
Is no, not a circle. Start with the face, the mouth. The best part with these drawings are, even if they are not in the exact shape that you want them to be in, that's okay.
Yeah, because they are funny ones.
They are anyways funny monsters, so they can take any shape. Yeah. Next is the head.
Getting an eraser. No, I don't need to. I can make it up like this.
Yeah. He has got a big eye on his head.
It's still there.
And now the head. So this monster is actually trying to run.
Because that's why he has hands and
The muscular bodybuilder monster. So what else? What other names that you can give to this drawing? Think about it and do share it fast because we would be closing the contest very soon.
I'm finished. Look, Papa.
Yeah.
Da, 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 da.
Okay.
Look,
Now should we sketch it?
I sketched. Yes, good. Got this, Papa.
Good.
On head. Look, he is trying to stop himself because he's sliding down from a mountain. Let's catch the mountain elephant. Look, Papa, look. Look, he's saving himself from these sliding mountains because there are meteors about. These are the meteors that are coming from the sky, from space into the mountain.
Okay.
He's trying to run away from the mountain.
Okay.
That's why he's sliding down. Ta-da! I am done.
Ooh, he's running away, right?
Hmm?
The monster has got scared.
What?
He's scaring everybody else.
My monster is your monster is scaring everybody. My monster is sliding.
It's sliding.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sliding. Because it wants to get away from the meteors.
Okay. So this was episode number 36
37.
of this 6 minutes
37.
100. Okay, 37. Okay, so episode number 37 of the 6 minutes 100 days challenge. I hope you enjoyed the drawing. Do not forget to hit on the like and the subscribe button and add your comments of.
Why did I 39? What?
Okay, see you in the next episode. Have a great and a wonderful day. Until then, bye bye.